Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pinterest for brand boards, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.pinterest.com and press enter. Once the Pinterest homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be presented with options to log in through email, Facebook, or Google. If you have a Pinterest account linked to an email, select the email option. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password in the password field. If you prefer to log in via Facebook or Google, click on the respective button. Follow the prompts to complete the login process through your chosen method. After logging in, you will be directed to your Pinterest home feed. To access your brand boards, click on your profile picture located in the top right corner. In your profile, you will see all your boards displayed. Locate the board you wish to manage or create a new brand board. To create a new board, click on the plus icon or the Create Board button. Name your new board and set its visibility according to your brand needs. When finished, click on the Create button to save your new brand board. To pin ideas to your brand board, click on the board itself to open it. Then, select the Add a Pin option to upload images or insert links. Continue adding content to your brand boards to enhance your brand presence. You have now successfully logged into Pinterest and set up your brand boards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.